welcome to this edition of the Bluejay Update. I got a couple of bowlers with me. Maybe you didn't know that we have bowling here at Johnson Creek. I think it's our second year. And guys, I'm going to let you introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit about the bowling team.
I'm Stuart Wenzel. I'm a junior and I bowl.
I'm Jonathan and I'm a junior and I bowl.
Awesome. Well, guys, how many people are on the bowling team?
We have 9. We have Duncan, Ben, Rowan, me, Josh, John, Max, Evan, and Cole.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. I had the luxury and enjoyment of coming out to watch a bowl. Seems like a pretty cool team event. Very tight quarters there. I was in Lake Mills at the bowling alley with you. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's always packed in there.
Yeah. So how does it work? How do you make the bowling team?
Well, so there's not really any tryouts, but you can just kind of join. And I mean, if there's too many people, you can maybe try out, but you can maybe make a JV team too.
Could have a second team.
Yeah.
Yep.
So how many of the 9 of you, do you all get to bowl every time? Or is it a top 6 on a day? Or you rotate a little bit?
5 people bowl, and each of us bowl 2 frames of the 10-frame game.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you bowl 1, you'll bowl the 6th spot. If you bowl 2, you'll bowl the 7th spot. If you bowl 3, you'll bowl the 8th spot. If you bowl 4, you'll bowl the 9th spot. And if you bowl 5, then you'll bowl the 10th spot.
So 10 bowlers per match. Is it called a match or game? Per game?
I'd say match.
So match.
Yeah,
so
match.
so the 5 of you bowl.
Yep.
This was interesting to me last year, and maybe the public, you explained it, but maybe even more detail. So you're bowling a frame 1, and somebody else bowls 2, 3, 4, 5. So you come out and bowl a strike. They got to come in, and they're capitalizing. If you know bowling scoring, they capitalize on your ball.
Yep.
Because how bowling works is you get bonus points on spears and strikes. I found that to be awesome. Versus one would think you might just go with 5 bowlers, you all 5 bowl, and you have a score, and you total the 5 up, and you do it against the other 5.
Yep.
I think I like this better. It's really more teamy.
Yeah, it's definitely crucial because you need to stack the strikes.
Yeah. You got
Yeah.
your goals to
important.
stack it.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, the day I was there, you guys were stacking them pretty good.
Yeah.
I think you only had, maybe in the game I watched to complete, which was extremely fast. I couldn't believe how fast it was.
Yeah.
We had like 0 open frames that game. It was over 200.
Yeah, that's the goal. No
Yeah.
open frames. Open frames will kill you.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so if you're not in the 5, do we rotate in so everybody bowls at some time during the day?
Normally we do rotate in a couple of times. Josh and Ben normally switch our 1 frame a lot, and Duncan, Cole, and Rowan's kind of struggling right now because of his ACL, but they normally sub in for like the 3 or 4 spot or the 2 spots sometimes. So,
Awesome.
but we're all getting better.
Is there a conference schedule per se? Someone puts together it's
Yeah,
it's
they
few
have like
Sundays
a-
in a row or every other Sunday?
Yeah, they have like a meeting on, because you get 1 bye week, I'm pretty sure. But
Yeah.
it's pretty much every Sunday. But before the season, they have a meeting on what alleys are available, like what alleys you can use.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, our home course is,
Jefferson Rock and Roll.
yeah, we're gonna give them a little shout out because they let us bowl for free, correct?
Yep.
I mean, that's pretty awesome.
Very
We got-
people.
Yeah, they're good people, aren't
Yep.
they? Yeah, we've had a few events down there too, and I bowled there one time. Yeah, so you need to have a sponsor, and then you gotta have a coach.
Mhm.
Our coach is,
Mr. Z, our math teacher.
yeah. I think he kind of gets into it too.
Yeah, he's getting better. Yeah, he's starting to understand it just as much as we're starting to understand it, and we're gonna be really good next year. We'll be really good next year.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yep.
Nice. Okay, boys, season is over. We're a little late with our report. Apologies, but season is over. How do we finish? In the hunt?
Well, we have our tournament this weekend, Sunday.
Oh, okay.
That's like to win our league and like I don't know how to explain it.
Well, there is one left. I thought this weekend was just for fun. I thought.
Yeah, it's like our fun meet, and we do a little tournament to win our
okay.
league. And if we win our division, then we get like a cool little trophy and things like that. And
Oh, well, we're still going at it then.
yeah,
Well, good luck. Where's it at on Sunday?
Fort.
Okay, nice and close. It seems like when I was there, Watertown had a pretty good team. They got a good team.
Watertown's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really good.
I feel like we had a awesome outing, and we barely beat them.
Yeah.
If we did beat them that day, because we were strike, sparing. I'm looking over, and we're not creating any space between them. They're matching us. Yeah.
They have a good program over there.
They've been bowling a while?
Bowling is their king.
Okay.
Watertown is really
A
good.
little bigger town too. A little more kids to draw from. All right. Well, good luck on Sunday. Thanks for bowling.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you want to tell future bowlers or a shout out of any sort?
Don't be afraid to try it.
Yeah.
Always try something new.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It actually is kind of a nice life skill. You know, you can get together in the wintertime when it's 10 below zero and go bowl if you can find an open bowling spot.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of fun.
Yeah.
You know? All right. Well, thanks for meeting with me, guys.
Thank you.
You bet.